Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Marvel Rivals keeps crashing and freezing. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is launch up the Steam application. Over here, click on Library at the top navigation and locate Marvel Rivals from your list of games. After that, right-click on the game and select Properties. Then, in the General tab, turn off the Steam overlay while in game. After that, click on Installed Files from the left-hand side and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then wait a few seconds while it checks for any corrupted or damaged files. After that, try launching the game. If that doesn't work, head over to your Start menu, search for Run, and click on the Run icon. Over here, type in %local app data % and hit Enter. Then scroll down until you see the Marvel folder, double click on it, click on Saved, and then double click on Crashes. After that, press Ctrl+Z to select everything and then right click and select the trash icon to delete them. Then empty your recycle bin. After that, click on your Start menu and search for Settings. Over here, click on Windows Update from the left-hand side and press the Check for Updates button. If there are any updates, install them and restart your computer. Then head over to the Start menu, search for Device Manager and click on it. Over here, expand Display Adapters and locate your graphics card. After that, right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Once you're fully up to date, so that's basically how you can fix Marvel Rivals keeps crashing and freezing. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.